Hello again, everyone. It's Vincent Michael, and we'll look at the NASDAQ tonight after a very volatile day. After a very volatile couple of days, we talked about the NASDAQ coming down right here to 50, and you can see really makes the most sense right now. You can see it surged. Now it's going to come back to the 50, just like here. Surged and come back to the 50. This is the 50-week moving average, the 50-day moving average. So you can see coming right down to there, which is at 26.63. The market now is at 27.50. So we're looking at about 80, 90 points of declines heading into the interest rate cut on October 31st. So again, we're talking about volatility. Where there's volatility, sell-offs are not far behind. Volatility is usually a cute word to say, well, markets are getting weaker, but trading pretty crazy. So with that much said, let's take a look at some of the stocks that have been performing. Amazon.com, clearly it looks like it's rolling over here. You could see the MACD now crossing for the first time almost a year. High volume on the sell side on the earnings, and really looks to take out this run right here. So you can pretty much say this entire run will be taken out. 100 down to about $75. So you can see Amazon looks to get weaker. Cisco Systems, we talked about this plenty of times. As you see this on the north side of the 8-week moving average, you don't sell. It keeps going higher. But as soon as it breaks down right here, sell signal going lower, looks to hit its 50-week moving average right around $29 a share. So you can see a couple of points selling in Cisco. So you got the main stocks like Cisco and Amazon ready to sell off. The NASDAQ looks like it wants to sell off about 80 points or so heading into the interest rate cut, what we talked about yesterday. The Fed futures are pricing in a quarter-point basis cut by Bernanke. But really, this market needs a 50 basis point cut, because then and only then stocks like Merrill Lynch can start turning around. Look at this decline. Does it get any worse than that? Sure, just look at Citigroup. This is an annihilation. Again, these markets are looking for a 50 basis point rate cut to turn these financials around that have been beaten and battered for really most of the summer and some most of the year. Like Bear Stearns, the poster child for bad hedge funds. Look at this stock. It's been going down for an entire year, but a 50 basis point rate cut may send this baby back to 140. Some relief may be in sight. So again, these markets are setting up for more selling heading into the interest rate cut. We get a 50 basis point cut. This market is going to rally heading into the end of the year. That's what I'm expecting. We took that the home builders are already started to move. Like Beazer Homes. Beazer was up 7% today and really is turning around off its bottom, looking to go to about $13 a share. Old Brothers as well, coming off the bottom nicely. So again, we've got some stocks that are bottoming and coming off their bottom. Other stocks like the financials trying to find the bottom, and they will find the bottom if we get that 50 basis point cut, which would send a strong message to the markets and a strong rally into the end of the year, bringing up lots of beat-down sectors with it. And of course, the outperformers will be energy and tech going forward. So a lot to cover over the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned. Get excited. Sign up for $2.99. I got some high-flying technical breakouts ready to happen. You do sign up for $2.99. You can find setups like the Head and Shoulders. This is one of the most bullish setups you can find. And when you see this kind of setup, the stock is going higher. And we picked this up. It soared, hit $58 today. We made over 100% in this stock. So if you're looking for channel breakouts like JA Solar, channel breakouts like Yingli Green, we picked this up right here. This is a channel breakout, and it soars to the upside. You start for $2.99. I've got a bunch of these that are like right here, ready to go, ready to explode. Like Motorola, we picked this up off the Head and Shoulders. Look what that stock did. So again, if you're looking for these technical setups, $2.99. You got nothing to lose, everything to gain. Check out the trading board and just get excited.